Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to communicate without voice chat in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, enable text chat. Open the game and go to the main menu. Look for the settings button, usually in the upper right corner, and click on it. Scroll down to the social tab and select voice. Choose the voice chat option that suits you. Enabling text chat allows players to communicate via written messages. It's useful for strategizing, coordinating movements, or just chatting with teammates. Text chat is asynchronous, meaning messages can be read and responded to at any time, making it convenient for players who can't use voice chat or preferred not to. However, it lacks the immediacy of voice chat. Proximity chat. Proximity chat allows you to hear and talk to opponents during matches. Enable or disable it based on your preferences. Proximity chat enables players to communicate with others who are nearby in the game world. It adds a layer of realism and immersion, as you can hear enemy chatter or coordinate with teammates who are close by. It's particularly useful for tactical gameplay as you can strategize based on your surroundings. However, it can also be distracting if not used strategically. Last words voice chat. If enabled, your voice chat activates after you're eliminated, allowing you to say your last words. Last words voice chat is a unique feature that allows players to communicate with their teammates after they've been eliminated from the game. It adds an emotional element to the gameplay experience, as players can share final thoughts, give advice, or provide information about enemy position. And that's how to communicate without voice chat in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.